Hello students, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to learn about present continuous tense. Look at this sentence. I am taking my lunch. Look at that red word. I am taking. When I come, you have to write am. I am taking my lunch. Ing form is there. The children are playing. See, children is plural, so R has come. Play plus ing, playing. Next, Tina is making tea. See, Tina is singular, so is has come. Make plus ing, making. So the verb in these sentence are in the present continuous tense. That is, see, am, are, is. These verbs come for present tense. And look at the verb take, play, make. You have add ing to these verb. So it has become continuous form. So when you add ing to the verb, it becomes continuous. When it is present tense, we add either am, is, or. So any one of this we will add according to the subject. Now look at this affirmative form. Affirmative form means positive. There won't be any not in the sentence. Look here. Am, is, are plus ing form of the verb. That is, we write when I come, we write am. When he, she, it come, we write is. You, we, they, we write are. Plus ing form of the verb. Look here. I has come, so am. I am playing. You has come, so we have to use are. You are playing. He has come, so we have to use is. He is playing. This is negative form. That is, we have to add not here. Look, am, is, are. Anyone you have to use. Then you have to use not for negative form. Then ing form of the verb. Look here, I am not playing. You have used not. They are not playing. You have used not. You are not playing, you use not. He is not playing, so you use not. And see where you have used the not, am, are, is. Soon after am, is, are, you have to use the word not, followed by not, ing form of the verb. Look here, playing. So this is called negative form. Now question form. What is question form? This am, is, are, you put before the subject. See here, you have to take this am or is, are and put before the subject. See, they are playing. Are has become the first word. If you put a question word, where are they playing? Here, question should come, children. Okay, I missed it. Question should come. Where are they playing? Okay, next. Is he playing? See, is has come in the front. He is playing. No, put he is in the front. Is he playing? Question. Where is he playing? Question mark. So it has become a question word. So how to form question form? You put this am, is, are in the front. Then comes the subject. Then the verb form will come. So keep in the mind, you have to put either am, is, are in the front. Now short form. Are not short form is aren't. Is not short form is isn't. Am not short form is so am. Now look here, what is the uses, where we use. So it expresses an action that is going on or is in progress at the present time. I repeat, it expresses an action that is going on or in progress at the present time, that is at the point of speaking. When the action is going on at the time of speaking, you call it present continuous tense. Okay, I am browsing the net. So when he's saying he is browsing, he is searching. So there you use this ing form. Mother is cooking dinner. So she's in the process of making. So there you use present continuous tense. Now see here, it expresses an action taking place at the present time, but not necessarily at the present moment. It's not necessary. So look here. So action is going on, but for example, see, Anu is preparing a project on endangered animal. That is, she is making, but not at the present moment. Look here, not at the present moment. Maybe not now, but she is making a project on endangered animal. So the process is going on, but not at the moment. Okay, next see, we are learning Kathak. That is, they are learning Kathak, but not at the present moment, not at that moment, particular moment. So that there also we use present continuous tense. Now see where else? It is used to indicate a planned future event. See for example, something you are planned to do it in the future. My parents are leaving for Singapore tomorrow. So that is also leaving. See, are leaving. They have planned, but not in that present moment. They are not doing. They have planned to do in the future. So there you should mention the time tomorrow. See, we are shifting our new house next week. You are going to shift, not at the moment. You are planned to move when next week. So you should mention the time here. So this is also present tense, but here you are planning, but the action is not going on at the moment. Keep that in the mind. In such sentences, it is important to mention the time of action. See this tomorrow, next week, that you should mention. Right. Normally, the ing form of the verb, also called present participle form. Please note this, children. You will be using it and learning it when you go to 7th standard. Present participle form. What is present participle form? Adding ing form to the verb is also called present participle form of the verb, and it is made by adding ing to the role form. See for example, play. If you add ing to play, playing. Go, when you add ing, going. Read, reading. Do, doing. So this is called ing form of the verb. This is also called present participle form. Now, if a verb ends in E, we drop this E. See, one form we saw early, that is you simply add ing. Now here, see if the last word come E, what you should do, you drop the word E and then add ing. See, coming. Coming. Give, drop the word E and then add ing, giving. Drop the word E, loving, loving. Drop the word E, rising. So keep in the mind, if the last word is E, you have to drop it and add ing. Next, in the case of some verb, the last letter is double. See here, C-U-T, T will become double, cutting, T-T-I-N-G. Put, putting, T-T-I-N-G. Begin, N-N, double, the last letter is double. Swim, swimming. So this is one form. Now the last form is, in the case of verb ending in IE, we change the IE to Y. See, do here, look here. DIE, IE will become Y. LIE, here IE will become Y. So keep in the mind, IE will change into Y. Die become dying, lie become lying. So this is an exercise. They dash to God now. See, now has come. So this is a small clue. If a sentence is having now or today, it's a clue that the action is going on at the time of speaking at the moment, and it is sure that it is present continuous tense. So you can write they has come. So use the verb are. They are, pray plus ing, praying. They are praying to God now. Now look here, they usually the word means yeah, always regular like a habit. So remember, when a habit comes, simple present tense. They usually dash to God before going to bed. Here the word pray. So since usually has come, it is not action is not going at the time of moment, at this moment. So you can't add here ing. They has come, so don't add yes. They usually pray to God before going to bed. Third one, he usually dashed the car slowly and carefully. He has come. Usually mean it's a habit. So you have to add yes here, drives. He usually drives the car slowly and carefully. See, today has come. Today and now I told you, it's a clue for you to write ing form. Today he has come. So add the verb is. Today he is driving. Drop the word e and add ing, driving, driving. Today he is driving the car very fast. Next one, the servant dashed on the lights now. See, now has come, so you have to add ing. The servant is singular, so the servant is switching on the lights now. Next one, see, we dash on the lights at 6 p.m. every day. It's a habit, regularly you do, so simple present. Since we have come, you should not add yes. We switch on the lights at 6 p.m. every day. So children, hope you understood. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.